Mahmoud, bro, guys, I'm standing here with
Ngoni Kaseke.
Mkoni Kaseke.
Yes.
From where are you?
Zimbabwe.
Are you from Zimbabwe, but you are proudly South African?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah, it's good.
So, okay, guys, the deal is if we can say one of the official languages of South Africa, just one sentence, he gets 100 rand. It's easy as that. So, I'm going to give you this sentence, my brother.
Okay.
Goeie, gegons, goed, gemaak vir gebreekte gedagtes.
Okay.
You can try twice, né?
Yes.
Or I can give you 3 times, it's fine.
Okay.
Let's go.
Kakoya Kakrunda dance.
No, not dance, man. Goeie, gegons, goed gemaak vir gebreekte gedagtes.
Kakuya Kaproka dance. Matka dance.
Okay. Okay, try one more. Goeie, gegons, goed gemaak vir gebreekte gedagtes.
Kuya Kaproka dance ka dance force.
Okay. Yo, Mahmoud, bro, guys, today I'm standing here with Asemahle. Okay, my sister. Today, are you proudly South African, first of all?
Yes, I am.
Proudly South African, okay. So if you can say for me one sentence in one of our official languages of South Africa, I give you $100. Easy as that. It's Afrikaans. I'm giving you Afrikaans. So the sentence is goeie, gegons, goed gemaak vir gebreekte gedagtes. Again, goeie, gegons, goed gemaak vir gebreekte gedagtes.
Okay.
Here we go. Are you ready? You get 2 attempts, né? 2 attempts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Goeie gegons goed gemaak vir gebreekte
Gedagtes.
gedagtes.
So okay, but you started there and you said gegons. It's gegons.
Gegons.
Yes, so don't start as yo Mahmoud, bro, my brother. Today I'm standing here with
Munya.
Munya.
Yeah, Munya.
Munya, nice to meet you, my brother. Are you a proudly South African?
Yes, I'm a proud South African.
Yes, okay. So if you can say one sentence for me in one of our official languages of South Africa, I'd give you $100.
Yeah.
But you must just a little bit work for it. It won't be too easy, but little bit.
Alright.
So are you ready? So the sentence is Afrikaans. Goeie, gegons, goed gemaak vir gebreekte gedagtes.
Oh my
God,
Okay.
what is that?
Okay, that's one attempt. I give you 2 more. Only 2 more. I'm gonna read for you again. Goeie, gegons, goed gemaak vir gebreekte gedagtes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my God. What is that?
Okay. Okay, 1 more. This is your last attempt, so you must really try now. Last one. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, my brother, man. No, but you think that is Afrikaans? That's not Afrikaans, my God.
That is what you are doing.
Am I doing Yeah. I'm saying goeie, gegons, goed gemaak vir gebreekte gedagtes. He is saying I'm doing
It's difficult. I can't.
Okay, thank you for trying, my guy, man. Thank you for trying. Man.